Many people find themselves overwhelmed by the constant pursuit of material possessions and the pressures of a consumer-driven society. However, a growing number of individuals are embracing a minimalist lifestyle, recognizing the numerous benefits it offers for both their finances and mental well-being. By intentionally simplifying their lives and focusing on what truly matters, minimalists are discovering a sense of freedom, contentment, and clarity. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. In this video, we will explore the advantages of adopting a minimalist lifestyle, discussing its positive impact on financial stability and mental health. 1. Financial stability, living with less, saving more. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle brings significant advantages, including enhanced financial stability. By living with less, you can drastically reduce your expenses. Eliminating unnecessary purchases and focusing on essential items allows you to save a substantial amount of money. Embracing minimalism cultivates a frugal mindset, enabling you to allocate your resources wisely and build a strong financial foundation for the future. With careful spending habits and a minimalist approach, you can achieve financial stability and have more control over your finances. 2. Embracing minimalism, a path to financial freedom. Minimalism paves the way to financial freedom by shedding the burden of excessive possessions. By prioritizing experiences and relationships over material goods, minimalists invest in what truly matters. Breaking free from the desire for constant acquisition, you can build wealth, increase savings, and attain the freedom to pursue your passions and goals. Minimalism liberates you from consumer debt and allows you to focus on what brings genuine fulfillment, aligning your financial decisions with your values. 3. Reducing expenses and debt through minimalism. Minimalism serves as a powerful tool to reduce expenses and debt. Through conscious evaluation of your purchases, you can distinguish between needs and wants, avoiding impulsive buying habits. By embracing minimalism, you save a significant amount of money. Additionally, decluttering your life and letting go of excess belongings alleviate the financial burdens associated with storage and maintenance costs. Minimalism empowers you to make deliberate and thoughtful choices, leading to a more financially secure future. 4. Prioritizing value over materialism. Minimalism emphasizes the value of experiences, relationships, and personal growth above material possessions. By focusing on what genuinely matters, you align your spending habits with your core values. Instead of seeking fulfillment through the accumulation of things, minimalism encourages investing in experiences that bring joy, personal development, and meaningful connections. By embracing minimalism, you reorient your mindset toward value and purpose, leading to a more fulfilling and contented life. 5. Finding clarity and contentment. Living in a cluttered and chaotic environment contributes to stress and mental unrest. Minimalism offers an opportunity to find clarity and contentment through simplification. By decluttering your physical space, you create a calm and organized atmosphere that promotes peace of mind. With fewer distractions and a clearer focus, you experience greater tranquility and improved mental well-being. Minimalism enables you to create an environment that supports clarity, allowing you to thrive and find contentment. 6. Simplifying your life, the key to mental wellness. Simplicity lies at the core of minimalism, enabling you to reduce overwhelm and enhance mental wellness. By simplifying your life, you prioritize your time and energy toward activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Eliminating unnecessary commitments, possessions, and obligations creates space for self-care, relaxation, and personal growth. By embracing minimalism, you create a lifestyle that supports your mental well-being, allowing you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. 7. Cultivating mindfulness through minimalism. Minimalism encourages a mindful approach to life. Through intentional evaluation of your possessions and lifestyle choices, you become more aware of your consumption patterns. This heightened sense of mindfulness extends beyond material goods and permeates other aspects of your life, such as relationships and daily habits. By living with intention and mindfulness, you cultivate a deeper appreciation for the present moment and find greater satisfaction in life's simple joys. Minimalism becomes a transformative practice, enabling you to live more consciously and authentically. 8. Letting go of clutter, a path to inner peace. The physical clutter we accumulate often reflects the mental clutter we carry within. Minimalism offers a path to inner peace by allowing us to let go of unnecessary attachments and distractions. Releasing the burden of excess possessions creates both a physical and mental space for tranquility and clarity. Letting go of clutter opens up opportunities for personal growth, self-reflection, and forging deeper connections with yourself and others. By embracing minimalism and simplifying your surroundings, you embark on a journey toward inner peace and a more meaningful life. Final thoughts. In a society that often equates happiness and success with material wealth and possessions, adopting a minimalist lifestyle offers a refreshing alternative. By intentionally simplifying their lives, individuals can experience numerous benefits for their finances and mental well-being. Financial stability becomes attainable through reduced expenses, increased savings, and a focus on value rather than materialism. Simultaneously, minimalism allows for mental clarity, contentment, and the cultivation of mindfulness. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, individuals can liberate themselves from the burdens of consumerism and find true fulfillment in the simplicity of life's essentials. So why not consider embarking on a minimalist journey today and unlock the many rewards it holds for your finances and mental health? Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.